Okay, so now we're going to talk about glyphs. So glyphs are parts of your font that are not letters or numbers or the regular symbols that you're used to seeing. They're more specialized things, maybe a flourish, maybe little hearts, you know, the end of a letter, some little loops, things like that. So we're going to show you how to use character map and using glyphs. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some text on here because I know that feather has a glyph that is the TH together, and it'll look a lot better than the feather that I have on my canvas right now. So I've typed my FEA, and I'm going to open Character Map, which I have pinned to my taskbar. And in Character Map, there are going to be all the fonts that I have on my computer. So we're interested in feather. Here it is. Here's the regular symbols, the numbers, the letters. But then when you scroll down farther, you'll see some unusual things that you can add to your font. So here we've got some like swoops that go before the word, and then you've got some that go after the word, and then we're really looking for this TH right here. So this is what we want. So I'm just going to right click and I'm going to copy as text, and I've essentially put it on my clipboard. So I'm going to go back to Cricut and I'm just going to paste it in there. So I'm going to Control V, and it doesn't show up as a TH in the text box, but it's there. And I'll do my ER, and there we go. I'm going to go ahead and make this white. The other one, we'll make it a little bigger. And now it's time to kern my letters. So just like I did the first time, I'm going to go ahead and decrease the letter spacing. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and ungroup. And I'm going to grab everything but the F and use my arrow keys. Next, I'm going to just take the THER. And I'm not sure if the R needs to move or not. And then we'll go ahead and weld. And I think, you know what, let's go back and get that R with the big swoop on it. So let me unweld. Right. Okay. And let's go back to Character Map. There's the R. So I'll right click, copy as text, go down to Cricut, and I will double click that and back up and put that R in. There we go. And grab everything and weld. So there's many different fonts that have glyphs. One of the most popular ones I would say is I Love Glitter. And here it is. Here's the regular symbols. There is a little heart there. And there's some hearts before and after. There's hearts that go in the middle. Lots of things I've seen made with I Heart Glitter. So that is Character Map, and it is an app in Windows 10. And if you have an Apple computer, a MacBook, you're probably going to be using FontBook, and that's how you would handle all your glyphs and your fonts.